Yeah, I agree. Okay, realistic in this note. How realistic can print the full out of the book in real life and then read it? Wow, this is an enemy. Actually, exactly the same thing I read in book few weeks back. It says that if while print full out of a mission, which is called a 3D projector, it is a recent innovation. This is really fascinating. Please tell me more about this. Hi guys, I'll tell you. So yeah, there are creating food creators. Creating food creators work by using edible ingredients of it. The edible ingredients that are the dough, the powders are all featured and then explored in illusion. Yeah, the product follows a digital model and the process is started by creation of the digital model. So yes, it creates by having 10 cross-sectional layers over which the previous layers get storyline so that the next layer gets printed equally. Also, it has a nozzle in which the fluid is extruded, and the nozzle follows the printer design. The design is just a little viewer and it follows the same. So this ensures complete placement of the food product to be printed. This is part of this. And it doesn't end here. It has more different types. What types are you talking about? I didn't tell you about that. I actually read it about that. One of the very known ones are for dimension because this is a pretty versatile dish and can add a variety of ingredients from pasta to pizza. And it can even design out chocolates. One of the major things of chocolate is the chocolate design. It can design all the chocolate varieties, especially dynamic kind of. We can design the chocolates as per our personalized design what we want to create about the chocolate. Second major footprint is the education funded by NASA for creating pizzas for the astronauts. But now it is being basically used in top restaurants. The next is also personalized thing for the chefs. It is called as chef check in which almost all the foods can be printed, especially for the decoration and garnish. But it uses the sugar content. The next fascinating printers is edema by Prima Technologies, in which the agent is directly printed into the case and the one footsteps. It uses edible heat to print output. Wow, these are really super customized sheets and for really good examples. Hello, good morning, girls. Good morning, ma'am. What are you girls busy talking about? Now we're actually talking about 3D printers, it's mechanical and types. Wow, it's so great of you guys being so updated. Yes, but you guys aware of its advantages and disadvantages? No, but let me explain it to you. There are many advantages of using 3D printers. The first one is it boosts input wastage reduction when you use minimal ingredients. The second one is it helps to create more variety and create the food experiment, which is not being used by our traditional methods. We can create new shapes, flavors, and textures in creativeness. And also, it makes the food be very accessible and also assist very sustainable to our environment. But it's a two-sided coin. We also have disadvantages using 3D printers. The first one is we need people who are experts in both cooking as well as printing. And we need to find the right material and ingredient to be printed using the food printers. And also, it is very high cost and it's not being prepared by most of the people. Thank you, ma'am. Now I have better understanding about the disadvantages and the advantages of 3D printers. I'm very glad that I could help you guys. Always keep this curiosity and learn new advancement in your upcoming days. Thank you.